Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. For this video, we will be going through a unboxing of the Mighty Dinosaurs Lego Creator Set. And this was obviously released by Lego um, sometime in the past. Lego being Lego never really liked to date these things. I've had this in my backlog for a while, and I thought, hey, why not get the unboxing video done and dusted, because I did get 3 of these, so I can actually build each of the dinosaurs. Go figure. So, outside of the box, so it's a 3-in-1 set. You'll have enough pieces to build one of 3 sets. So being Mighty Dinosaurs, we have a T-Rex, I assume it's a T-Rex, a Triceratops, and a Pterodactyl, Pteranodon, either. So that's the front. Won't be anything interesting on the bottom. The side. Wait. Just more pictures of the 3 dinosaurs. And then you just have that nice shot of the front dinosaur. In terms of the back of the box, so just more shots of the dinosaurs. They all do look quite nice, and yes, I would have been very hard pressed to decide which one to build if I only had the one. So, with the quick look at the box done, let's have a look inside. I'll just open this up off screen without injuring myself. I think it was a 3-bag, 1 instruction. Well, no, 3 manuals and 3 bags. I guess we'll double check soon. So 1 bag, 2 bags. So there's 3 bags, and there will be my friend the coiled booklets. So there'll be 1. Oh gosh. 3 booklets and 3 bags. I would look through each of these booklets, so I will pop these off screen momentarily. So anyway, I can. It's one thing I hate about Lego manuals. Trying to reshape them. Okay. So we've got the manual for the T-Rex, Triceratops, and I'll just say Pterodactyl for the time being. I was going to say they all started with T, but the P is silent in Pterodactyl. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, let's start over with what's on the front of the box. So the T-Rex, just a completed model at the front, just usual front feedback at the back, and pretty much get straight into it. So because it is a 3-in-1, it doesn't really tell you which bags to open first. It pretty much looks like it will be a bit of a giant free-for-all, really. So pretty cool. Everything looks pretty stock standard. Just start jumping to the very end. Oh, looks like there'll be some posability in the head. Final T-Rex with a skeleton ribcage carcass, followed by the parts list. I'm assuming it's the parts used to actually create the actual T-Rex. That is actually quite scary. There is a fourth dinosaur. Say what? How do you get this fourth dinosaur? Why does this booklet do this to me? Gosh, I'm hoping the other booklets don't come up with like a fifth and a sixth variation. So that was a quick look through the T-Rex. Looking at the Triceratops. I've noticed with these 3-in-1s, one of the booklets will be quite thick and the other two will basically start thinning out. So Triceratops, just pretty much get straight into it. What's this? Pretty much the head, and it's horns. That's actually pretty much it. So that's the finished Triceratops. No, there was not an additional one to build, thankfully enough. Then last is the pterodactyl. That's your two of it. So I do quite like how it's fairly streamlined in its design. So that's pretty cool. Head doesn't look too involved, that's okay. The last page being the completed pterodactyl. So, those were the booklets. Looking at the bags. So I'll call it bag number 1 because it has some of the larger pieces. You've got your predominant greens, a few greys, a few darker greens, and beige, I believe. Bag number 2, some of your moderate sized pieces, mainly your flatter pieces. Once again, a lot of greens, got a bit more whites in here now. Red, khaki, it's a bit of a nice colour palette there. And bag number 3, your smaller pieces. Pretty cool. So once again, a bit of a repeat of the actual colours being used. So in terms of colours, irrespective of building 3 or possibly 4 dinosaurs, it's fairly uniform. So just put those up there. Pteranodon, Triceratops, T-Rex. Okay, probably not the best ordering. So that was the Creator Mighty Dinosaurs set. Definitely would recommend everyone going out buying 3 of them, or possibly 4, which I now suddenly need to do. But I do quite enjoy these creator sets having some of that flexibility. And I do have a few other creator sets in the backlog to go through. I do have one which I believe was the wild line ostrich, and I can't remember what the other one was. That wasn't necessarily to build the animal, it was actually to build a mecha. So I still need to do that in the future. Definitely be something to do in 2022, given tomorrow's last day. Well, at the time of filming, tomorrow's last day of 2021. When this gets uploaded, probably it will be 2022. But that's okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment and a like, and if you haven't done so, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Extra content can also be found on my Instagram accounts, link down below. Thanks again for your support to help grow this channel, it really is appreciated. Stay safe and take care, and I will catch you all in the next video. See ya.